Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite, and let me share with you how to turn on the option to automatically update your system. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down and tap on the software information, localize the build number, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now after activating, we can go back to the general settings right here and enter the system. Now let's tap on the developer options and scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates. All you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to remember about updating your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.